Hello guys! Try natin sagutan itong ating CSE review for today. What is the perimeter of the triangle with sides of 9 cm, 14 cm, and 11 cm? So our review for today is all about finding the perimeter of a triangle given its 3 sides. Okay? So, ang ating formula in finding the perimeter of a triangle is perimeter of a triangle is equals to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. Or basically, i-add lang natin yung tatlong sides ng ating triangle. And that's our perimeter. Okay? So, binanggit naman dito yung ating tatlong sides. So, plug in lang natin siya sa ating formula. This is side 1, 9 cm. Plus, yung ating side 2, which is 14 cm. And finally, yung ating side 3, 11 cm. So, adding yung ating mga sides. So, we have 9 plus 14, that is 23. And then 23 plus 11, that is 34. And then, copy natin yung unit na centimeter. So, our answer for this problem is 34 centimeter or letter C. Okay? So, for our next question, kindly comment down your answer sa ating chat box and let's see if naintindihan nyo yung ating review for today. And that's it for our review for today. I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.